a lot.
Good smile. Let's show how you laugh. You were such a laugher. Do it again. A little ha-ha.
Freaking hilarious.
Is that funny? Right? If it wasn't for those hiccups. Can you do it? Can you do that? You make me... You're making me laugh so hard.
Don't make Grandma laugh too hard. We did that one time. And she doesn't have any diapers on, so...
Very funny.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big bubble. You like that?
Pop it. Go. Go.
Oh my gosh. You see how much froth was there?
Mad baby.
Yeah, she's got rabies.
Mad baby of Shiloh.
Hi, honey.
Hi, baby. Can you laugh for me? Yeah? Can you laugh over here? No. Only for Grandma.
Gonna do it again so Mom and Daddy can see. They love
Just
seeing
like
you
all...
do that.
Oh.
They did. They loved seeing you do that. They did. They thought that was really great.
Oh. Good thing you got a waterproof camera. Yeah.